Hello guys, this video is about the last layer of OOP programming of the assembly line. This layer divides into two main parts. First, instantiate the wrapper and then assign inputs and outputs to it. Here you see that I have created two methods, one for mapping inputs and another for mapping outputs. Product line 1 is the instantiated wrapper. By clicking F2 button, search the name and insert it to the POU. I have already inserted product line 1 and I assigned all the inputs and outputs, and as you can see I select the same names for the inputs and outputs and define them in the variable list. In map input method we have to assign all necessary signals from factory IO, for example auto switch, reset and emergency buttons, and signals from actuators and sensors. In for loops, I assigned inputs of actuators and sensors separately. In map output method, we assign outputs from actuators and sensors to the factory IO variables, and that's it. So as a review, first we map inputs, then assign all signals to the instantiated wrapper, and then send outputs to the factory IO variables. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed and this tutorial was useful for you.